What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, also known as Michael, but I don't care what you call me as long as you hit that like and subscribe button. I got one question for you. Why haven't you subscribed yet? It's right over there. Just click it. Boom. And if you really want to get jiggy with it, hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified as soon as I upload a new video. So stay tuned to find out how you can create your very own Easter basket for like $17.76. Stay tuned. Okay, check it out. I'm back, and you might hear a little noise in the background. Hey, it's laundry day, so we gotta do what we gotta do. So check it out. I'm gonna show you how you can spend about, well, let's say under 20 bucks, you can build a super cool Easter basket. Now, I am not including the price of this reusable wicker style basket. Or, well, I have some old filling that I just kept, and I bought some new, so I'm only factoring in the price of these two bundles here that were $1 a piece. Think about it. You go out and every year you buy like a new basket or like a plastic basket or whatever, like a pre-fill thing, and it's got some stuff in it, but you didn't get to pick that stuff. You don't know what you're getting. I mean, you can see, but why not build a custom basket and you can reuse this every year and you get to pick what you're going to put inside. So for me this year, I wanted to focus on some candy, obviously, and then I wanted to add in at least one educational item. So my daughter's working on math, and I got her these super cool flashcards. So she'll be able to memorize these addition dealios. So let's go ahead and get to it. As usual, I gotta use my unboxing tool. These are reusable. We gotta protect our earth. We only got one, y'all. So let me go ahead and add some new filler to the mix. Let's see, should be paper. There we go, paper, so it's kind to the environment. And you know what? I might just save this one. I'll just mix in these colors because I know my daughter loves pink and purple. Like, those are her favorite colors. So how about we just do like, ooh, look at that. Aw, snap, it's almost like a yin and a yang type of thing. You do it however you want to do it, but you get the idea. Just fill the thing with some stuffing, all right? Cool. Maybe if it's too much, you can take some out, whatever. So what are we gonna do? Let's go ahead and put some stuff in. I like to bury things in there so that she has to dig around. Makes it a lot of fun. So we'll go ahead and put the Kinder Joy on the very bottom. Look at that. Oh yeah, well, let me show you. Kinder Joy. You know anything about these? They're super cool. It's like one half is some chocolate and a little crispy candy, chocolate candy. And the other side is a toy that you have to put together. And these are pretty cool toys. Small, but pretty neat. So there we go. Put this on the bottom. Make her dig for that. And I got some Cadbury caramel eggs. Who doesn't like a caramel egg? Mmm, tasty. Now, I could go and just put this whole thing in there, but you know what? Dad needs some caramel eggs too, so, she won't know. She won't know one bit. Break open this bad boy. Come on. I'll give her two. Dad'll keep a couple. I like this stuff too. Just throw them in there. Bury them. Again, something to dig for. And we got some Sidewalk Chalk. Oh yeah. Sidewalk Chalk, yeah. This was what? Look at that. $1. Boom. Gotta dig it. Gotta dig it. We'll put this in so she can see that. That's displayed. But bam. What else we got? Now, one of my traditions is I always like to get her a milk chocolate bunny. And I really try to get the solid ones. I hope this one is solid. It's Russell Stover, so it's decent. We just hope. Oh, there it is. Boom. You see that? Solid milk chocolate. Ba-bam. I remember as a kid, I would get the hollow ones. I'd be so disappointed. Don't get your kids hollow anything as far as chocolate goes. Solid all the way through. We'll put that in there like that. Little display. Look at that. Okay. And what's Easter without some Peeps, y'all? She loves purple. And I was going to get her the pink ones. But the pink ones taste like medicine. And I don't know, maybe I might want to eat some, and I don't want to taste medicine, so I got the purple ones. There you go. Stick those in there like that. Okay. We'll raise this up a little bit for you, so you can get a better view. Oh yeah. And then we got some bubbles. Tell me, what kid doesn't like bubbles? If your kid doesn't like bubbles, post it in the comments, because I want to see about this. And these are LOL branded bubbles, so maybe when you blow the bubble, you get to see like an LOL doll floating inside the bubble. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, right. So there we go. And then the piece de la resistance, or however you say that thing, is box of edition flashcards. She won't think it's super awesome, but she will when she's adding up her paycheck or adding up all the stocks and bonds that she's earned over the years. She'll be thanking me for this later. You put that in there like that, and pretty much you're good to go. I mean, who needs, here, we'll just do this, like that, and there you go. You've got your very own customized Easter basket for under 20 bucks. Again, not including the price of the reusable wicker basket. So there you go. If this has been a benefit, give a thumbs up, share, and most importantly, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and also check out some other videos. Have a good one, y'all.